Okay, welcome. Here's a little demonstration of Mountain CAD's description key importer for Civil 3D. It imports Excel files and converts the data into Civil 3D description keys. And we only need about 5 columns of data. First column for your code, next column for the point style, next column is your label style, a formatting text, and then a layer. All right, so if those are all saved, you have 5 columns of data. We'll come to Civil 3D. We'll run the command, and we'll browse out to that Excel file, and it gets loaded in. The first 5 columns are from Excel, all the way down to the layer column. After that, we have the additional Civil 3D description key parameters. And you can customize these. So if you want to use a scale parameter or a fixed scale or a rotation parameter, you can set all of that just as you can in Civil 3D. And once that's done, we'll click OK. And the description keys will appear under a new description key set for Mountain CAD. You can rename that later, but there are the keys. The key things are don't misspell your point styles, your label styles, or your layer names in Excel. Make sure they match the template that you're importing to, and things should go very smoothly. Thanks for watching.